Good morning, everyone. Let me start with a quick story. Imagine you're scrolling through social media and you see two posts. One says, eating a high-fat diet will help you lose weight, and the other says, eating a high-fat diet will give you heart disease. Confusing, right? This is something many people face every day, conflicting advice about food. So, how do we know which advice to trust? That's where nutritional epidemiology comes in. According to a recent article in Advances in Nutrition, nutritional epidemiology is the study of how food and diet affect health. It integrates two important fields: the study of what we eat, and epidemiology, the study of health and diseases in populations. It's not just about one person. It's about understanding patterns in large groups of people over time. It's based on careful research, not guesswork. Nutritional epidemiology is also interdisciplinary, which means it combines ideas from different fields, like the health sciences and the social sciences. It's not just about biology. It's about understanding how many factors, like our lifestyle, genetics, and culture, affect our health through food. In the past, researchers noticed patterns in people's health. For example, they found that sailors who ate fruits like oranges didn't get scurvy, a disease caused by lack of vitamin C. This was an early discovery about how important food is for our health. Today, we have more advanced tools like biomarkers, which are special tests that measure health in the body, and genetic analysis, which involves studying our genes. These tools help us understand more about how food affects our health. In the past, researchers often had to rely on people writing down or remembering what they ate. But today, large-scale studies that follow many people over years help us get precise information. These advances mean we can be more confident about what we know. New studies bring to light more information on the connections between food and health. Nutritional epidemiology has already changed how we think about food. For example, research has shown that people who eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and fish have lower rates of heart disease. What's more, a well-known study, the Framingham Heart Study, has followed thousands of people for many years. It showed that things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and smoking are strong risk factors for heart disease. These findings are based on solid data and have influenced public health recommendations about diet and lifestyle. One of the biggest changes in our understanding of food and health has been the realization of the importance of the gut microbiome. Research has shown that the bacteria in our intestines play a significant role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. The microbiome is influenced by the food we eat, and its balance can be changed by diet. This is an area that has become more important in recent years, and it shows how interconnected nutrition and overall health really are. New research into the gut microbiome is likely to change the way we think about nutrition for years to come. In conclusion, nutritional epidemiology helps us make sense of the complex relationships between what we eat and how it affects our health. By studying large populations over time, we can identify patterns that lead to better health recommendations. Nutritional epidemiology is grounded in solid research and has a significant impact on public health policies. As we continue to learn more about how food affects our bodies, especially through the study of the gut microbiome, we'll likely see even more changes in how we approach nutrition in the future. So the next time you see a new food trend or health claim, you'll know to ask whether the evidence behind it is backed by solid nutritional epidemiology.